mind, just go ahead. There's nothing.
So guys, welcome to one more motor vlog on the Kawasaki Versys, and this time there is something new that I've got for you. Guess what? This is nothing but the GV top box. So I've got the new latest India's first top box from GV, the Antarctica, and it's been recently launched from Malaysia, as you can see. And let's look at what features and what it brings for the Indian customers.
You said come up to my front door. I'll wait for you there. Not too sure how many times you'd lie.
So guys, let's talk about the detailed overview of this top box. GV Antarctica, it's a 42-liter top box from GV. Okay, and it's a fairly very simple top box that each and every manufacturer is making. There are multiple brands of top box manufacturer, from GV, SW, Motec, and Hepco, Becker, and whatnot. And even the new Indian brands are also making these top box in India now. So, but why I chose GV Antarctica was GV is one of uh, the best brands in across the world when it relates to top boxes, and they are the largest selling top boxes in the world that GV makes. So GV basically it's a German Italian brand, I believe, and this top box is actually manufactured in Malaysia. Okay, and it is directly sourced from Malaysia to India, and this was the first consignment of the Antarctica that has arrived in India, and I think I might be the first one to have it installed. Now basically, if you see, it is got the normal key. Okay, with this button you can just remove the entire box out. Now let's talk about how the connection setup is. If you see, with every mono key top box you will get this base plate, which is a universal base plate from GV, which fits onto a top rack. Okay, so you need to have a rack which is a metal plate on which you got these bolts and connecting screws and bolts which you need to place over a flat deck. So this plate has to be flat to ensure that your top box fits securely, and then you need to screw it up. Okay, and how does this open up? Like, you need to press it and it comes out. See, and that's the system. Okay, and then how do you put it back? You just have to press it back. It's locked, and this is secured. And then